All right, let's set up our plates for the weaving. You're going to take that black string and you're going to go through one of the slits. Doesn't matter which one. You're going to pull it through, and then there's a little tail on the back side that you're going to tape down just to make sure it doesn't come apart. Yours should look like this now. We're going to count from that first space. We're going to count over 9. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You're going to pull it kind of tight, so it's kind of just hanging right now. And what we're going to do is we're going to go over 1 on the back. So this one right here, we're just going to move over 1, and then we're going to go across to make an X. So a small X here. So we're going to take that string and we're going to bring it across, kind of tight but not too tight. So kind of right in between, snug. Okay, so now we have a little X in the middle. Now what we're going to do is we're going to move over 1 on the back side. Just go right here, come through here, and we're going to go across the middle, and then you just move over 1, come back over here, move over 1, back here, move over 1, and then you just fill in all of the areas here doing that same pattern. What's going to happen is you're going to be left with your plate looking like this. So you should have 1 left over, and this one is going to be the one where you're going to start your weaving. Okay? So what you'll do once you get to this point, we're going to take the end of the string and we're going to start going over and under and around. Now getting it started is a little tricky because it doesn't look like a weaving. So we go over, under, and I like to do it this way. It makes it a little bit easier to see it. Over, under, and I'm working out here, and I kind of have to bring that string over here a little bit so it can slide through. And I want to make sure, this is very important, that you pull it through. Okay? Now I'm right here on my weaving, so I'm going to go, and I just went under this last one, so I'm going to go, just about 3 or 4 more, and then I always need to make sure I pull it through. Now this is going to start to grab the center right in the middle there, and it doesn't look like the weaving yet, but it'll start here after I get around a few times. So I'm going to do a few more, and then it will start to grow with your weaving, and then you could start changing colors, and that's the fun part. So you really pull that through, be kind of delicate, give it a nice little tug there, and then you, again, just keep going around and around and around.